I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickle amla. First, choose about 500 grams of fresh, firm amla berries. Wash them thoroughly under running water, then pat them completely dry with a clean cloth. Next, steam the amla until they become tender, which usually takes around 8 to 10 minutes. This step is crucial for softening the amla without making them mushy. Now let's prepare our aromatic spice blend. Gently roast about 2 tablespoons each of fenugreek and mustard seeds until fragrant. Once cooled, grind them into a coarse powder, along with 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds. Then, mix in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. Don't forget to add salt to taste, usually about 3 tablespoons. Next, we'll combine everything. Heat about 150 milliliters of mustard oil in a pan until it just begins to smoke, then turn off the heat. Let the oil cool down to a warm, not hot, temperature. Pour this warm oil over your steamed amla and the prepared spice mix. Stir everything thoroughly, ensuring each amla piece is beautifully coated with the spices. Finally, it's time for storage and patience. Carefully transfer your freshly made amla pickle into a clean, dry, and airtight glass jar. For the best flavor development, allow the pickle to mature for at least 3 to 5 days before enjoying it. Store your delicious amla pickle in a cool, dark place, and it will stay fresh for up to 6 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.